If CapCut is showing an internet connection issue, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether CapCut is not loading properly, keeps saying there is no connection, or you can't get features to open, these steps will help you get back to editing. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the very first thing you want to do is check whether CapCut itself is having a service problem. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, and the app or website may be experiencing a temporary outage. To do that, open your browser and visit CapCut.com. Once you're there, check whether the site loads normally. If the website is down or not responding properly, the issue may be on CapCut's side, and you may need to wait a little while before trying again. If the website loads fine, then the next step is to check your own internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly by opening another website or app. If other apps are also slow or not loading, then your connection may be the real cause of the problem. Try switching to a different network if you can. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, try a stable Wi-Fi connection. This quick switch often fixes connection errors immediately. If CapCut is still not working, the next step is to update the app to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause connection problems, syncing issues, and loading errors, especially if the app needs the newest service support. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and see if an update is available. If you see the update option, install it right away, then reopen the app and test it again. Now, if the problem still continues, the next thing to do is clear the CapCut cache. Cache files can sometimes become corrupted and cause internet or loading issues inside the app. To clear it, open CapCut, go into Settings, then look for cache size. Tap the trash icon next to it and confirm the action. This will remove temporary files without deleting your projects in most cases, and it can help CapCut start fresh. After clearing the cache, close the app completely and reopen it to see if the connection issue is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. So to recap, check CapCut's service status, make sure your internet connection is stable, switch networks if needed, update CapCut, and clear the cache. Those are the best fixes for the CapCut internet connection issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.